You are about to begin a 20 minutes mindful breathing practice. Begin by establishing yourself in a comfortable sitting position. If you are sitting on a chair, see if you can keep your back upright and away from the back of the chair, so your back is straight, but not stiff. If you prefer, you could sit cross-legged on the floor, and support yourself with cushions, maybe with a few large, heavy books underneath to give you a firm base. If you are sitting on a chair, keep your legs uncrossed, and your feet flat on the ground, establishing a connection to the earth. Wherever you are sitting, rest your hands palm down on your thighs or knees, wherever they fall most naturally for you. Close your eyes if you want to. Or if you prefer, keep them open, and direct your gaze downwards, about 1.5 meters ahead of you, with a soft focus. And now, make your intention to let yourself have this time to practice mindful breathing. Hold your intention lightly as you begin to practice. Allow yourself this time to let go of your doing mode, a mode that many people often get caught up in, and let yourself enter a mode of just being. And now, take time to get in touch with the physical sensations in your body. Become aware of your points of contact with your cushions, chair or floor, and where your hands are resting on your knees or thighs. Let your awareness enter your body, and rest there. And now, allow your attention to come to rest on your breath. Become fully aware of breathing in this moment. Feel your in-breath as it moves into your body. And feel your out-breath as it moves out of your body. And now, move your awareness to the sound of your breathing. Give yourself full permission to just pay attention to the sound of your breathing, right now, right here, just as it is. No need to force or control your breath in any particular way. Simply listen to the sound quality of your breathing. Listen to the sound your breath makes during expansion in your body, on your in-breath. Listen to the sound your breath makes during contraction in your body, on your out-breath. And now, move your attention to your physical sensations of breathing. Maybe notice the air brushing lightly against the insides of your nostrils as you breathe in. Feel your chest expand as air is drawn down into your lungs. Become aware of the changing patterns of sensation in your abdomen as your breath moves further down into your body, and then starts to move out from your body as you breathe out. And now, bring your awareness to your in-breath. And then, move your awareness to your out-breath. Notice the slight stillness between each in-breath and each out-breath. And then the stillness between each out-breath and each in-breath. Do not try to control your breath in any way. Do not try to change it, just notice it. Let it happen naturally. And now, simply let your awareness ride your breath in your body, right now. And now, as you continue to practice in this way, you may quickly realize that focusing on your breath is not so easy, and that your mind may already have begun to wander away from focusing on your breath. You may be distracted when you hear sounds around you, or have thoughts enter your mind, or feel emotions, or feel physical body sensations. Remind yourself, this is normal, and completely okay. Wandering is simply something that minds do. In fact, it is part of your practice. Just notice where your mind has wandered off to, and gently but firmly bring your attention back to your sensation of your breath in your body. Each time you gently guide your attention back to your breath, you strengthen your habit of paying attention, and strengthen your mindfulness. So, when your mind wanders, rather than judging yourself, think of it as an opportunity to learn and to practice your mindfulness. Each time you return to your breath, congratulate yourself, because in that moment of return, you are strengthening your mindfulness. Simply acknowledge distractions, let them be there, and gently return your attention to the movement of your breath in your body. And now, continue breathing. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Simply be present with your breath, just as it is, in this moment. And, in this moment. In each moment. Right here, right now. Continue to practice like this for a little while longer. Continue breathing in and out, being fully aware. Continue to focus on your breath. When your mind wanders again, you will notice that your awareness is no longer centered on your breath. Just acknowledge that, and reconnect with your breath in your body. Remember that each time your mind wanders, it is not a failure or a problem, but just part of your practice. Just bring your mind back to your breath, and be mindful of your breathing. Be present in your space of open, gentle awareness. Has your mind wandered? If so, bring it back, as best you can, time after time. Then, make a new intention, to follow your breath. Maybe congratulate yourself, each time you notice your mind wandering, as that is the very moment of you coming back into awareness. If you want to, maybe say to yourself silently the word wandering, not with any self-criticism or blame, but simply with an attitude of curiosity and compassion. Bring your mind back to your breath, and continue to practice like this, in silence, for a while. And now, as your practice comes to an end, open your eyes, and gently become aware of your surroundings. Begin to move your fingers and toes, moving and stretching, in any way that feels right to you. Bring yourself back to where you are, right now. Not rushing, not hurrying. Just gently moving, stretching effortlessly. Maybe see if you are able to maintain some sense of mindfulness as you go about the rest of your day. Take comfort in the knowledge that every time your mind wanders, you are able to return to awareness by anchoring yourself through the practice of mindful breathing.